You and Mom, you guys never cared about me or Layla, and you're getting him a whole car.
How dare you talk to us like that?
Please, David.
Tyson is our family's hope. Our whole family depends on him. That's why he's getting a car instead. Just get out. Get out now, you ungrateful little...
We'll never be enough for them, will we? No, not this time.
Yeah, my boy. I knew you would make me proud.
All right, well, what can I say?
A family's first success story.
Yes, first and hopefully not the last. Cheers. Something I did want to bring up though, just a small problem. The rent is about 190 grand a month. Yeah, a little crazy. Thanks.
Shit. Don't worry, we'll figure something else out.
Look, I don't want to be a burden on you guys or anything.
Oh, a burden? Hell no. I mean, that's what family's for.
Yeah. I got it.
We'll use Dana's college fund. Huh?
Yeah, great idea, huh?
What?
Yeah, she doesn't need it. She's not like she's gonna go to a good college, and she's got her mother's brains.
Bingo. I mean, there's your down payment.
Can we at least discuss it with Dana?
Dad, you can't be serious.
What, did you want me to just live out on the streets? I need stability here.
But I need to go to college next year.
Well, I'm the only son, the heir to this family. You don't matter.
Damn right. Just don't argue with him.
Please, I need the tuition.
You don't need anything. Just get a job locally. Call it a day.
No, I want to go to the city and become a lawyer.
Whoa, Dana. The city is no place for a girl like you. Besides, your brother has the brains and the burden, so we're betting on him.
You can't be serious.
You raise your voice at me one more time, you can forget about school tomorrow.
Why do you always have to be causing drama, Dana? You know Grandpa's popping the Percocets.
Enough, Dana. Please stop. Don't make a scene, or he'll really gonna pull the plug on your future.
Then I'll make my own future. Mom, I got in. I got into the firm.
Oh my god, you did it, baby! George, did you hear? Your daughter got the lawyer job.
So what?
Dad, it's one of the top firms in the country.
Now, who's gonna help Tyson pay rent? I mean, you think money grows on trees?
I talked to the local bank. You'll start on Monday.
But I don't want to work at the bank. I want to be a lawyer.
A lawyer? Work at the local bank. That's more your speed.
Be grateful. People would kill to be on a job like that.
Hey, well then why don't you make Tyson do it?
Don't you talk back.
But she works so hard. Let's have her just try. We'll work it out.
Shut it! She is not going. End of story.
I can support myself. I'll even send money home.
Shut your mouth.
I'm sick of this. You've never treated me or Lila well. You always do everything for Tyson. You've never even cared. You should have never had me. You should have never had Layla. You've never treated us like daughters.
Say that again.
You only ever cared about Tyson. You never cared about us.
Ah!
You go now.
Tom, what about you and Layla?
I know you.
What are you doing?
Wait, she beat us? A rookie?
She's a beast. Super sharp mind, great strategy. Get her here. Sign her. People like her don't become enemies. They become allies.
"3 days you marry Ben. And that's that."
I don't even know him.
Doesn't matter. He paid. He expects a wife, not a mouth.
Who do you think feeds you? Don't you think it's your turn to pay up?
That's not right. You're trying to sell her like some...
Don't you start! It's not like you bailed out Tyson.
She always had a mouth on her. That's why nobody liked you.
Please stop. Dad, you're hurting her.
One more word out of you and I'll make sure Ben picks you up tonight! Clean yourself off. You're scaring your daughter.
She's not the one scaring me. You are.
You raise your voice at your father?
No, I just want out of this house. I'm calling Dana.
That bitch? She left years ago. She ain't coming back now.
Yes, she will. She promised me when she left that if it ever got this bad, she'd come and get us.
You want out? Let's make it happen. Hey, Ben. No, change of plans. Tonight.
Tonight? No, hell yeah, man. Let's do it. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Yeah. She's ready.
No, I'm not going with him. I swear to God, I'll fight. Lila, please. Just be calm. Just please.
All right.
Hey, yes.
Right. Let's do this.
There she is.
You can't take me. No, let go.
Just more you do.
Let go.
Knock the hell off my sister.